So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you something very important if you're learning Gen AI or AI or backend development. In this video I have created three API using fast API, and I will explain what they are, why we need them, and how they are used in real Gen AI application in very simple English. Okay, so let's start. So these are the my APIs. I have created three APIs. First one is get, and the second one is, here you can see get, and this is our slash home. It represents something to see that our server is working, our API is working or not. So it means it is working. Okay, to see that my API is working or not. For that, so I have another API which is get. So you can see get API is here. So here you can see we have got some, like if you want to try out and you want to execute, you have to fill the name Satyam, and if you execute you can see you have a hello Satyam message here. Okay, and we have a third API which is post. You can add here. Okay, so here we have a post add. We have a third API which is post. So post means you can add here. I have added the explain page number, page 1, like I am 5 year old. If you will execute, we see the response here, like hello explain page number 1, like I am 5 year old. Okay, this is response body. You can download from here, date and everything we have. So what basically happening is here, you can see that first we have to understand that what is an API. Okay, so think of an API like a door. Think of an AI is like a door. Okay, API is like a door. You have an AI application inside a room. You have an AI application inside a room. The room has a door, and when someone knocks on the door, the AI replies. Okay, and the door is called an API. The door is called an API. Fast API helps us to create these doors very fast and very clean. Fast API help us to create these doors very fast and very clean. Why we need fast API in AI application? This is very important. Like in real life, like in real life, front-end apps like website, mobile apps, Streamlit apps, chatbot, drug system, they cannot talk directly to AI models. So they need we can say middle layer. The fast API is that middle layer, we can say, and it helps to send prompts, upload files, get AI answers, do everything fast and smooth. So now here I have already shown you that that we have a three APIs. First one is get, and we have a slash home API, we can say. So this is to see that it is working or not. So how does it do? This is basically our this is our home API, and what does it do? It simply checks, is my backend running, is fast API working. What does it return? A simple message, like a simple message. Okay, first we have to execute it. We have to close it. Okay, okay, now everything is closed. So here you can see uh, is first our first API is like get slash home API. It's a this is the home API. What does it do? It simplifies checks, is my backend running, is fast API working. So what does it return? A simple message, like you can see here, me a message, hello AI engineer, good to know, something like that. So a message. You can see why is this important, because in real projects we always test if the server is alive, or this is like saying hello, I am online. So like this, think of it as yes, my AI backend is awake now. So second API is, you can see, which we have a, this is our second API. Okay, this is our second API, and this API teaches us how data comes from the URL. This API teaches us that how data comes from the URL. Here I send a name like I have already sent it. Okay, like we have sent a name here, hello, name system. So what happens? Fast API reads the name from the URL, send back a message, hello Satyam. Okay, I have execute, then you can see hello Satyam. So this is how actually things is working. Why is this important? Because front-end apps send data using URLs. This is the basic communication pattern. This API helps beginner understand query parameters and how front-end talk to backend. And a third API, what the third API is doing here, let's see. So this is the most important API for AI and Gen AI. What does this API do? It accepts a prompt from the user. Okay, and this prompt is sent as a JSON like this. Explain page one, like I am 5 year old. So it basically the most important. It is the most important API for AI and Gen AI. What does this API do? It accepts a prompt from the user. The prompt is and this prompt is sent as a JSON, like you can see, it's a JSON form. Explain page number 5, explain page 1, like I am 5 year old. So this prompt is sent as a JSON like this. You can see fast API reads the prompt, process it, send back a response. What response? This response. What response body? You said explain page 1, like I am 5 year old. Okay, so why do we use post here? Because the prompt can be long, JSON is safe and clean. This is how ChatGPT and RAG apps works. Every AI app use post APIs for prompts. And what is this doc? What is this doc here? This doc. What is this doc here? Let's see this doc. Yes, what is this doc? This doc is, we can say, this page is auto generated by the fast API. It allows us to see all APIs, test them, send data, see response. This is used by developers, used by companies, used in production. No extra tool needed. And how this connect to RAG application? Now imagine a RAG application. A user uploads a PDF. Okay, user upload a PDF. PDF is processed and then it goes to the vector database, and user sends a prompt. AI searches a page. AI sends answer. Okay, and fast API is used to like upload the PDF, send prompt, call the AI model, return the answer. Without fast API, frontend can't talk to AI. No real uh, application, no production system. Why fast API make apps fast and smooth? Very because fast API is very fast, very efficient, very user friendly, or production ready. That's why companies use it. Gen engineer use it. Backend engineer love it. And we can say at the end, I use fast APIs to make my AI application fast, smooth, and production ready, so users can send prompt, upload files, and get AI and get uh, AI answer quickly. Thank you. If you understand this video, like, share, subscribe. In the next video, I will show PDF upload with fast API, RAG, backend AI, chat APIs. Thank you for watching video and keep learning.